Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to explore the complete user interface of Blender 5.1 for beginners. If you are opening Blender for the first time and feeling confused by all these buttons, panels, and windows, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the basic Blender workspace and feel comfortable navigating inside Blender. After opening Blender 5.1, you will see the default startup scene with cube, camera and lighting. This area in the center is called 3D viewport. This is where we create and edit 3D models. Section 1, Navigation Basics, rotating the view. To rotate around the scene, hold the middle mouse button. Hold the middle mouse button and object, select object, hold the middle mouse button just like that. Move your mouse around. You can freely look around your object. Then zooming. To zoom in and out, scroll the mouse button or scroll the mouse wheel moving around. To pan the view, hold shape plus mouse button. Middle mouse button. Section 2, Understanding the Blender interface. Top bar. At the top, we have the top menu bar. Here you will find File, Edit, Render, Window, Help. This section contains important project setting and tools, and then Workspace tabs. Below that, we have different workspace tabs: layout, modeling, sculpting, UV editing, texture paint, shading, animation, rendering. Each workspace is designed for a specific task. Section 3, 3D viewport. The largest area is the 3D viewport. This is where modeling happening, objects are moved, animations are created, and scenes are built. Gizmo tools. On the left side, you will see the toolbar. Important tools include Move tool, Rotate tool, Scale tool, and Cursor tool, and Select box. Okay, so many are there. These these help manipulate object inside the scene. Section 4, Outliner panel. On the type on the top right side, we have the outliner. This panel shows every object in the scene. For example, camera, cube, light. Think of it like a layer panel. Section 5, Properties panel. Below the outliner is the property editor. This is one of the most important section in Blender. Here you can control modifier, material, rendering setting, lighting, physics, object properties. Section 6, Timeline. At the bottom, we have the timeline. This is used for animation. You can add keyframes, play animation, control frame editing, or control frame timing. Section 7, Basic shortcut. Here are some essential Blender shortcut beginners should remember. G for move, S for scale, R for rotate, Tab for edit, Shift A for adding some object, mesh, curve, surface, metaball. Okay, these shortcuts speed up your workflows. Section 8, Adding object. To add a new object, press Shift A. First, I delete this object, and then to add a new object, press Shift A. You will see the option like mesh, camera, light, curve, text. So many are there. I choose cube or any sphere, cylinder, whatever it may be. Section 9, Edit Mode. To edit a model, select the object, press Tab. Now you enter Edit Mode. Here you can edit vertices, edges, faces, just like that. This is called vertices. This is called edge, and final. This is called faces. Okay, and then lastly, saving the project. Go to File, click Save As, choose a folder, save the blend file, and that is the beginner-friendly overview of the Blender 5.1 user interface. Now you are Now you understand navigation, workspace, view for tools, panels, basic shortcuts. If this uh, if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment what Blender tutorial you want. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.